So here's how to make support tickets on Discord. First, you will need to open the browser and then search for ticket tool and then click on the first link. And then you can simply look for invite bot, which is this button here. Click on it. And then you can simply select this link here and click on copy. You can either copy and paste it to the chat or click there and it will automatically bring you to Discord. But if you do click on it, you should open a Discord window, then invite it to your server, click continue, and then make sure you give it enough permissions, then click authorize. And now once the bot is in your Discord server, you can simply use the command help or setup as it states in here. You can /setup, then press enter, and it should bring you the steps to set up this bot. You can click on create a panel, then you can set a name for it, for example support, then click on submit. Now click on save and continue, and now select roles. For example, I'm going to select ticket tool, and then you can click on save and continue. Now we're going to select a category where this bot is going to operate. For example, text channels, this one here. And click on save and continue. And then you can select the channel where the bot is going to work. You can create specific channel, or I'm going to select this existing one here, the general. Click on save and continue. And now once you reached step 5 out of 5, you can simply press finish to make the bot send a message here that when people react to, it opens a specific or private channel for support. And a message like this should be sent to the channel from the bot. So it will look like it's coming from TicketBot, and to create a ticket, you can simply create a ticket by clicking this button here. So if you click it, it should open a ticket called Ticket 1, and it's private to the admins or the moderators and the guy who opened the ticket. And now once you sort out the problems or support them, you can simply close the ticket by clicking close button and then confirming the close, and that should close the ticket and make it private. It can also send a transcript, but the guy who opened the ticket won't be able to write on it again. You can also reopen the ticket or completely delete it by pressing this button, and it will take a few seconds to be completely deleted from Discord. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.